In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Replit. So let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps to help you enhance your Replit projects with images and other files. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Replit homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, you'll need to locate and click on the Apps section. This is where all your Replit projects are stored and where we'll begin the process of adding an image. Now take a moment to browse through your list of projects and select the one you'd like to work on. Click on that project to open it. This is the workspace where we're going to upload our image. Once in your project's workspace, look for the option that allows you to add an attachment. This feature is crucial because it's how we're going to introduce images or any other file types into our project environment. Click on Add Attachment and a menu will appear. Next, you'll want to click on Upload a File. This action will prompt you to choose the file you want to bring into your project. It's time to select the file you wish to upload. This could be an image file, as we're focusing on today, or even other types like video or audio files, depending on what your project requires. Use your computer's File Explorer to find the image you want to use. Select it and confirm your choice to start the upload process. Once you've uploaded your image, the next step is to click on Attached Assets. This section houses all the files you've uploaded to your project, from images and videos to documents and other resources. By clicking here, you confirm that your file is indeed part of your project. Take a moment to explore this area if you're new to it, as it provides a comprehensive view of all the assets available to you within this project. Finally, you should see the file you uploaded appear in this section. It's an instant confirmation that your image upload was successful and that the file is now accessible for your project needs. This final view is essential, as it reassures you that your efforts were fruitful and your file is ready to be implemented wherever you need it in your Replit environment. And there you have it, a straightforward process to upload and add an image to your project in Replit. With these steps, you'll be able to enhance your coding projects with rich visual content or other multimedia, making your work more engaging and interactive. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to revisit any part if you need a quick refresher. Happy coding!